Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready for the test today?
Yes.
All are ready?
Yes.
Your parents are there at home? Parents, elder sister, elder brother, anybody is there at home?
Yes.
Everybody is?
No. Yes.
No.
No.
If parents are not there, just try by yourself. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. And see, unnecessary noises should not be come from the class, because during the exam you should not make any noise. Okay, I will be reading all the questions for you. I will be reading the options also. You have to click on the correct option. That's all you have to do. At last you have to submit. Okay, I will send a link in the chat box. So if you have any doubt, you can raise the hand. I will ask what is the doubt. At that time, you can ask me the doubt. Okay. And no talking in between should be there. Understood?
The link.
Okay, I'm going to send a link.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you mute yourself. Mute. A link is there on the in the chat box. A link is there in the chat box. Did you all see?
Yes.
Yes. Just click on that link. You will get a question paper. All of you mute. If you want to ask anything, then only you have to unmute. All other time, your device should be muted, okay? Otherwise, when I will read the question, you will not be able to hear. Let me see, anybody is sitting unmuted? Okay. This is the way you have to sit in the class. Okay, children? Okay, 33, some are left. Again, some are there to join. The video should be on, because I want to see whatever you are doing, I want to see it. I will be reading the question. Your parent will be sitting nearby. The parent should not help the children. Let the children do by themselves. Shriya, Adidev, Ivan, where is the video? Arjun PA, switch on the video. Ivan Nirmal, Arjun PA, switch on your videos. Anybody else is there? Okay, the link has been sent 2 times in the chat box. Please click on that link. You will get the question paper. I'll be reading the question paper. Children, shall we start? Yes? Okay, if yes, thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. You all are ready?
Yes.
Okay. The link is visible, isn't it? Most of them have joined. Okay, let us start. Okay, let us start now. I'll be reading the question. The first thing you have to do is write your name. Write your name.
Ma'am, I not seen the board.
Don't see the board. Why you want to see the board? By clicking on the link, you can see the question paper on the screen. Did you see the question paper? Did you all see the question paper? Yes? Yes. Okay. Most of them have seen. Everybody's video should be on. Now, I'm going to read the questions for you all. First, you write your name. Then, click on the class and division. The class and the division is written over there.
D E D E.
Yes?
Where's my name?
Again, what is the noise here?
Where's my write the name?
Okay. I will read the question 2 times. Within the when I will read 2 times, you have to answer it within that 2 seconds, okay? Name, then class and division. Now question number 1. Parents, please mute and talk. If you want to speak anything, please mute. The first question. A line is a dash. The options are 1-dimensional figure, 2-dimensional figure, 3-dimensional figure, and it is a curved figure. Click on the correct option. A circle is there near to the option. You just click on that circle. A line is a dash. 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional curved figure. These are the options.
Ma'am, you can't see the page.
The question paper will be there on your screen, isn't it?
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Why you want to see the board? The question paper is there in front of you on the screen. Once again, I am sending the link. I am muting everybody. If you have any doubt, you can raise the hand. Because in this way, it is not possible to complete the test. So I have muted everybody. If you want to ask something, you can raise the hand. I will be clearing the doubt. First question, a line is a dash. The options are 1-dimensional figure, 2-dimensional figure, 3-dimensional figure, curved figure. Second question, which figure can be extended on both sides? Arrow will be there on both sides. First option, ray. Second option, line segment. Third, line. Fourth, point. Click on the correct option. Which figure can be extended on both sides? With 2 arrows, whether it is a ray, line segment, line, or a point. Next one, third question. How many equal sides a square has? Sides of a square. Whether it is 2, 4, 3, and no sides. How many equal sides a square has? Fourth question. A circle is formed using dash. A circle is a round figure, whether it is formed using straight lines, points, curved line, or none of these. A circle is formed using. Yes, Evelyn. A circle is formed using, it is a round figure, it cannot be drawn using a scale. So whether it is formed using straight lines, points, curved line, none of these. Now next question, question number 5. A party hat. Party hat is in the shape of a cone, isn't it? A party hat has dash faces, whether 1, 2, 3, or 4. Cone, party hat, cone shape. How many faces it has? Ice cream cone and all. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, or 4? I hope everybody will be doing. I'm reading the questions. Let the child do by themselves. Sixth one. A ray is a part of. A ray is a part of a curved line, line segment, straight line, point. A ray is a part of a dash. Whether it is a part of a curved line, line segment, straight line, or point. Fida, I'm sending the link again. Just click on that link, you will get the question paper. Children, when the exam will be there, please be on time. Shine Shijo has entered now. Those who have entered now will not be able to see the link, I think so. At least during the exam time, please be on time. Sixth one, a ray is a part of a curved line, line segment, straight line, point. Next one, seventh question. Sleeping lines are called. Sleeping lines are called horizontal line, vertical line, curved line, none of these. Sleeping lines. Horizontal, vertical, curved. Sleeping lines are called, whether it is horizontal line, vertical line, or curved line. Or question number 8. A line has dash. A line has height, only length, only breadth, or it has both length and breadth. A line is a figure which has only one one measurement, whether it is height or length or breadth. Now question number 9. A ball has 3 corners. Whether it is true or false, a ball has 3 corners. Whether it is true or false. Now question number 10. A cube has dash edges. A cube. It is made up of 2 squares, side of 2 squares and the joining lines. A cube has dash edges, whether 6, 8, 10 or 12. Cube has dash edges. Question number 11. The straight lines are straight lines. There are 3 types of straight lines. Whether they are only horizontal line, vertical line, slant lines, or all the above. Whether all the horizontal, vertical, and slant lines are straight lines. If all are straight lines, you have to click on the last one. Question number 12. A Pepsi can has dash faces. A Pepsi can is in the shape of a cylinder. So how many faces a cylinder has? Whether it is 1, 2, 3 or 4. A Pepsi can has dash faces. The faces of a cylinder. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Thirteenth question. An English alphabet with 2 slant lines and 1 horizontal line is an English alphabet, whether it is A, B, C, with 2 slant lines and 1 horizontal line, whether it is H, A, Z, E, 2 slant and 1 horizontal. An English alphabet with 2 slant lines and 1 horizontal line is dash, whether it is H, A, Z or E. Next one, 14th question. The sloping lines are called. It is not sleeping, it is sloping. Whether it is vertical, curved, horizontal, slant. Sloping lines. Sloping lines are called vertical, curved, horizontal or slant. Question number 15. A circle is a dash. Circle is a 1D figure, 2D figure, 3D figure, or none of the above. A circle, it has two measurements. So whether it is a 1D figure, 2D figure, or 3D figure. Esther, you can submit only if the Google account is open in your device. Open your Google account in the device and then submit. If your Gmail account is logged out, you will not be able to submit. A circle has two measurements, so whether it is a 1D figure, 2D figure, or 3D figure. Now question number 16. An English alphabet Z has only one horizontal line, or two horizontal lines, or three horizontal lines. Horizontal line means it is sleeping line. Just check how many sleeping lines are there in the alphabet. Whether only one horizontal, two, or three. Esther, did you able to submit? Please sign in with your Google account and submit. Now question number 17. The starting and the ending point of a closed figure will be same, whether it is yes or no. The starting and the ending point of a closed figure. Closed figure. In the closed figure, only one point will be there. So whether the starting and the ending point is same. If it is same, yes. If it is not same, if it is different, click on no. The starting and the ending point of a closed figure will be same. Yes or no? Rohan has submitted. Okay. Okay, good. Question number 18. How many faces a tissue box have? Most of the tissue boxes are in the shape of a cuboid. Faces. 8, 6, 12, 4. It is faces. How many faces a tissue box have? Up, down, front, back, and two side faces. How many are there? Whether it is 8, 6, 12, or 4. Question number 19. The opposite sides of a dash are equal. Triangle, oval, rectangle, circle. The opposite sides of a dash are equal. The opposite sides of which figure is equal? Whether it is triangle, oval, rectangle, or circle. Now last question, question number 20. A point is a dash. Whether it is a curved figure, dot, or line. A point is a dash. Curved figure, dot, line. So now all the questions are over. I have read all the questions. I hope you might have done it. Oh, many of you have submitted. Very good. Yes, very good. Most of you have submitted. Sarish got full marks. Charles, what happened? Rohan CJ, Adidev, Evelyn, Ivan, Emmanuel. Okay, many of you have submitted. Good. "26 children have submitted. Please, others, if you are not able to submit, please log in to your Google account. Then you will be able to submit. Nived, Renfred, Esther, Aiden Ajay, Ayush, Emmanuel Anthony got full marks. Those who have lost the marks, the correct answers will be there in the question paper itself, near to your answer. Others, please submit fast. Those who are not submitted, please submit fast. Don't make noise.
Am I submit?
Those who have not submitted, please submit fast. Agnes Yadav has submitted. Nived got full marks.
Ma'am, I can't submit.
Who?
Devanmak.
Devatmak, if you can't submit, tell your parent to sign in to the Google account, Gmail account. Parents, please open your Gmail account. Don't log out.
Ma'am, I tried.
Switch on the Google account, log into the Google account and submit.
Okay.
Through Google Chrome, please log into your Google account. Then don't log out. You just submit the answer sheet, then log out from there. Those who did not get the full marks, no problem. You can do it next time, okay?
I get 18.
18. Okay, good.
Ma'am, 19.
Good.
Ma'am, 17.
Yes.
Ma'am, 20. Ma'am, I got 10 out of 20.
Why only 10 out of 20? Who?
Ma'am, me.
Charles. What happened, Charles?
Ma'am, I got 20. Ma'am, I got 20.
Okay, good. Those who got 20, very good. Those who did not get 20, please try. In the next exam, you can score full marks, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So the exam is over. This is the way the periodic test will be conducted. Those who didn't able to submit, please log into your Google account, then submit.
Yes.
Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.